Hi, I'm Dennis Lewis from ratio.dev, and in this video I want to show you how to paginate your bubble tables when you're using the new bubble table element. The truth is that repeating groups have always had this functionality built into them, or at least they have for a long time, but the new page elements don't natively support paging through the data. However, it's pretty simple to accomplish, and so I'm just going to show you how we do it here at ratio.dev, and hopefully this will make using the page elements easier for you as well. So here we have a table element, and if I go to select the entire table, I can look at the data source. And what I have here is I have just a search, just like you're probably doing already. But in order to do this, I'm going to create for this table two special custom states. One is going to be the page size, and the other is going to be the start numbers. So the first record, the first row that we're going to be showing. And so once I have that, then I'm just going to add here into my search at the end, I'm going to say the items from, and I'm going to choose the start custom state. And then I'm going to say items until, and I'm going to use the page size. And what this is going to allow it to do is it's going to start normally from 0 and go to, if the page size is set to 10, then it will do from 0 to 10. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create down here somewhere on my page a previous and a next button. And these two buttons, what they're going to do is I'm going to show you the workflow here. So this is the previous or the left button. And all it does is it comes in here and it just changes the start place, subtracting out the page size. So if it's at 11 and it subtracts 10, then it would go back to 1, for example. And then if it's less than 0, then it will just set it to number 1. And then the right arrow is just going to do the exact opposite. What it's going to do is it's going to add the page size to the start. So if you're at number 1 and you add 10, you'll start at number 11. And that way, when they click on the buttons, they can either jump forward or back by the page size. You can also include a combo if you want for the page size, a drop-down, and you could have 10, 25, 50 if that's the way you want it to do it, so that you can let the user adjust the page size. That's perfectly fine as well. Then you wouldn't use this, you would either just reference the drop-down value, or you could have a workflow action that changes this custom state every time that drop-down changes its value. Either way will work. And then, you normally would want to put a conditional here so that, so you could hide this left arrow if you don't want, if there's not any, if you're already on number 1, then you could hide the left arrow, or if you're getting to the end and there's not any more and you've got the total number of rows, you could hide the right arrow. It's just making it a little bit more user-friendly. But yes, in a nutshell, this is how you support pagination in your bubble table elements. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.